Alright guys, so we got them dropped off in Lakeland and plane's cleaned up. Now we're getting fuel, as you can see, and then we're gonna head back to Birmingham. See you guys in the cockpit. Alright, we're getting everything powered up. Let's get our clearance.
Okay, clearance, 30 Alpha Quebec, looking for IFR to Birmingham.
Number 30 Alpha Quebec, Lakeland ground. Clear to the Bravo Hotel Mike Airport. As filed. On departure, climb maintain 2000. Expect flight level 320, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency Tampa 119.9er, squawk 3622.
As filed, 2000, 320 on 10, 119.9er, 3622 for 30 Alpha Quebec.
30 Alpha Quebec, readback is correct. Be advised your radio is coming in with some pretty heavy static.
Roger.
Taxi via Echo, Bravo, Delta, Foxtrot, Papa, cross runway 5 at the approach.
Taxi via Echo, Bravo, Delta, Foxtrot, Papa, cross runway 5, number 6293 Hotel. 10. And ground, 30 Alpha Quebec, shelter, ready to taxi.
Number 30 Alpha Quebec, runway 10, taxi via Juliet Alpha. Current information, Alpha.
We got Alpha 10 via Juliet Alpha, 30 Alpha Quebec.
Alright guys, we're going to be taking off 10. I'll go ahead and put in that I'm heading for now in case it gives me something different. Climb to 2000 on departure. It's about an hour 25 from here to Birmingham. And Birmingham's still clear of the weather, which is great. I like it.
Citation 30 Alpha Quebec, turn left heading 360, runway 10, clear for takeoff.
Left heading 360, 10, quick takeoff, 30 Alpha Quebec.
Over 95021, gate to base within a mile, runway 10, clear touch and go, crossway turn to the citation departure.
Keep it within a mile, clear touch and go, 10, 021.
Power set. Airspeed low. 70. view. Positive read. Gears coming. Yaw dimmer. Start the left turn. Flaps up.
Altitude.
1 to go.
Come back, contact David departure.
Over departure, Alpha.
Climbing through 2,500 for 4,500 to Sarasota.
Air 25612, Tampa, First Club 014 tree.
0143, here you go, 612.
Departure 30, Alpha Quebec 2000, heading 360.
Please expect Tampa departure, bank line maintain 4,000, good rate 33, traffic.
4,000, good rate 33, Alpha Quebec.
Alright, good, we're 833. Which is not really a clearance, but we're just going to do the best we can.
Over tower, Sun Country 3081, thank you.
These are off Quebec, ident.
And
There's flash out, Quebec. These are off Quebec, radar contact, 8 north of Lakeland. Contact temp approach, 135.5. 35.5, on Quebec.
I think it would be...
I'm not sure. I think he has a gear issue, so he may land without his gear. So it may be an extensive delay.
Yeah, let me see if I can choose something here. I'll slow it down and I'll get back to you here just a minute. Thanks for the heads up.
Yeah, no problem. Just continue on your present heading and 11,000 and keep me advised.
Okay, we're coming up on we'll be coming up on Dade here pretty soon. Do you want me to make the turn at Dade or just maintain present heading?
No, just maintain present heading, and if I got to take you south of Tampa, I'll take you south.
Cool, thanks.
Frontier 2519, 12,000.
Frontier 2519, Tampa approach, turn 20 degrees to the left, 20 left, and descend to maintain 10,000, 10,000.
20 left, 10,000. Frontier 2519, we do have Bravo.
Sphere wings 8821, contact final 118.5.
5, Spirit 8821, good day.
Departure 30 Alpha Quebec, 4,000, heading 360.
November 30 Alpha Quebec, Tampa approach, climb maintain 6,000.
6,000, Alpha Quebec.
alright, up to 6. Sounds like somebody's having a bad day. The gear issue. We got on frequency too late to find out where that is or what it was.
Tampa approach 949 Foxtrot Bravo.
I'm sure with a little YouTube research you'll be able to find it.
November 0 Alpha Quebec, climb maintain 12,000, 12,000.
12,000, Alpha Quebec.
Clouds look so nice and puffy and soft, and they're absolutely terrible.
Frontier 2519, turn right heading 270, 270.
270 heading, Frontier 2519.
Sun Country 3064, turn right head at 180.
Right turn 180, Sun Country 3064.
Frontier 2519, connect final 118.5, see ya.
85, see ya, Frontier 2519.
November 0 Alpha Quebec, turn left heading 270, vector climb.
Heading 270, 30 Alpha Quebec.
Sun Country 3064, connect approach 119.9.
19.9, Sun Country 3064.
Alright guys, so we are about 15 minutes from Birmingham. You have missed all of a really uneventful, which is the best type of cruise flight so far. Now time for the more exciting part, which is the landing. We'll get the weather here in a minute and get ready. I think we're going to land 3-6 today. So a little bit shorter runway, but not too short. So close to the hangar. But weather's still clear from Birmingham. Don't have to worry about any weather. It's a nice day. Should be good.
runway field conditions.
November 581 Sierra Hotel, contact Atlanta Center 134.905. Good day.
134.905, so long.
Contact, you have information, Kilo.
Kilo.
Command information, Kilo, time 1653, observation, wind 020 at 8, visibility 10, sky conditions, few clouds at 2,200, 12,000 scattered, ceiling 20,000.
November 30 Alpha Quebec, cross 1 and maintain 11,000, 11,000.
1 to 11, 11,000, 30 Alpha Quebec.
Alright, so we're at a 12.7 for cross wands at 11. Should be switching over to Birmingham approach here soon. Information Kilo. They're running 6 and 3.6, so we're going to go for 3.6.
Number 5352, contact Montgomery approach, correct, Atlanta approach 127.9, have a good one.
27.9 or Endeavor 5352, good day.
So if there's anything you want to see, leave it in the comments as far as flying goes or just general travel.
November 30 Alpha Quebec, contact Birmingham approach 123.8, good night.
23.8 Alpha Quebec, have a great rest of your day.
Hold in sight. Citation 395 Whiskey Juliet, roger, clear visual approach runway 4, radar service is terminated, contact Tuscaloosa Tower 126.3.
Approach 30 Alpha Quebec, 11,000 with Kilo, request 36.
Number 30 Alpha Quebec, Birmingham approach, going to maintain 3,000, expect visual approach runway 6, when I report field in sight.
3,000, any chance for 36 for Alpha Quebec?
Citation 30 Alpha Quebec, report field in sight, and you can expect a visual runway 36.
Alright, 3,000, report field in sight, expect a visual 36, Alpha Quebec.
There we go. Yeah, so like I was saying, if there's anything y'all want to see as far as aviation wise or just general travel, if you have questions, throw them in the comments, I'll answer them. I have different videos, not just aviation stuff that I post every once in a while, like RV traveling that I do with the family. A deep sea fishing trip's going to be coming out here soon, if it's not already, that I did. And then snorkeling in the Grand Caymans while on a Disney cruise. So I do all types of travel. I enjoy it all. Anything's better than sitting in one location. Alright, I see the airport. I'll give them a second to take care of that other stuff.
And approach 30 Alpha Quebec, got the airport in sight.
November 30 Alpha Quebec, clear visual approach runway 36, traffic is 11 o'clock, 5 miles, type unknown, altitude indicates 1,900, unverified, eastbound.
Alright, we'll be looking at the traffic, clear visual 36, 30 Alpha Quebec.
Alright, let's ease to the left, set up for
November 504, Sierra Foxtrot, Birmingham departure radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Up to 10,000, 4 Sierra Fox.
Number 4 Sierra Foxtrot, turn right direct Davis.
Right turn direct Davis, 4 Sierra Fox.
Number 66 uniform, say your approach request. Travel Air 66 uniform, will this be IFR or VFR?
That traffic he was talking about is a helicopter down low. We just passed over him.
Traveler 5466 uniform cleared to the Walker County Airport via...
Helicopters are always something that I think are fascinating. I'd love to learn how to fly them. It's just really too expensive.
RNAV runway 9 approach Walker County Airport. Traveler 66 uniform after completion of the approach, enter controlled airspace direct SIPC. Climb maintain 4000, return to this frequency.
Altitude.
Number 0 off Quebec. Traffic no factor, contact tower 119.9er.
Over tower, off Quebec, have a great day. Tower 30 off Quebec, 3.6 for visual runway 36.
Number 30 off Quebec, Birmingham Tower, runway 36, clear to land, hold short of runway 6 for departing traffic, wind 350 at 9er.
36 clear to land, hold short of 6, 30 off Quebec. Alright, slow her down. Get ready to land. I really wish there was a camera that I could like put on my glasses so that y'all could see what I see. That was a good camera, not a crappy camera. As I turn my head and look out of the window. But I just can't see myself wearing a GoPro strapped to my face. And then I think everything would be too close.
Autopilot.
Autopilot's off, all up to me. See if I remember how to do this.
T1, thank you, Blue Streak, 5591.
Alright, gears come down. 1, 2, 3, green.
Altitude. $500. Minimums. Citation 0 off Quebec, turn right Foxtrot or November, your discretion, taxi to park, have a good one.
Alright, we'll take a Foxtrot and parking with you off Quebec. Have a great rest of your day. Alright,
Station
takeoff
36 Tango
complete.
Alpha, wind 350 at 6.
Taxi it to the
runway
parking
6,
spot,
takeoff.
put her up.
Runway 6, clear for takeoff, 6 Tango Alpha.
It's the way to do it. Nice, easy day. Left at 8:30, back by 1. I'll take it. Boop-a-doop. Speed bump. Well, thank you for coming with me. Go check out one of my next videos if you like aviation stuff. If you don't, I don't know why you were here. But hey, welcome anyways. We will see you on the next one. Maybe. Let's see who parks us today. Oh, it's Mr. George. Today is Mr. George's last day over here on this side of the airport. He's normally leaving us. He's an outstanding gentleman. We'll see you guys next time.
AC fail. Left engine oil pressure. Right engine oil pressure. Generator failure.